Hello everyone. How are you? So today I'm here with a new video lesson for my grade 6 English medium geography students. So first of all, I like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel Sensei Lanka Online School. And also, first of all, I like to tell you I'm really happy that you have watched my video lessons and I got nice comments from you. Then you all asked me to come with new lessons. Some of you had asked me, teacher, please come with new lessons quickly as possible. So today I'm here with unit number 1, the school and its immediate surrounding, part 9. So what are the earlier parts? I have done several topics earlier. So my dear children, if you want to look at my earlier video lessons, please subscribe my channel and then ring the bell icon also. Then you will get all my notifications. Then you can follow me on Facebook also. There is my Facebook page, Sensei Lanka Online School. So by using these two methods, you can follow my new lessons. Then you can learn them. So today we are going to learn about temperature and rainfall as weather elements. So now when you look at the topic, you may have problems because there are some new words for you. Weather elements. කාලගුණික මූලිකාංග. පුතේ ඔයාලට මාතෘකාවේ සමහර වචන අමාරු වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි මම කලින් පාඩම් වල ඒ වචන පැහැදිලි කරලා දුන්නා. ඉතින් ඒවා මතක නැත්නම් ටීචර්ගේ කලින් වීඩියෝස් ආයෙත් සැරයක් බලන්න. කොහොම වුණත් අදත් මම ඔන්න මතක් කරා weather elements කියලා අපි කියන්නේ කාලගුණික මූලිකාංග. ඒ මූලිකාංග අතරින් අද කතා කරන්නේ temperature උෂ්ණත්වය සහ rainfall වර්ෂාපතනය ගැන. Now I think the topic is clear for you. So my dear children, now let's learn about temperature and rainfall. Two topics today. Okay. So now what is temperature? We are going to learn what is temperature. Actually, what is temperature? උෂ්ණත්වය කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? If there is sunlight in the daytime, if you go out, you can feel it. අපිට දැනෙනවා උෂ්ණත්වය. රස්නේ වගේ දැනෙනවා. So that is temperature. So පුතේ, now all of you look at my screen. There are some words. Temperature is a physical quantity that expresses the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. යම් කිසි දෙයක තියෙන උණුසුම් ගතිය කොච්චරක් රස්නේද කියන එක. ඒක තමයි temperature. Sometimes we talk about the temperature in the environment. අපේ වායුගෝලයේ තියෙන උෂ්ණත්වය ගැන කතා කරන. අර එළියේ අවුවට ගියාම දැනෙන්නේ රස්නයක්. යන්නේ ඒ උෂ්ණත්වය. Sometimes we talk about our body temperature. When we feel fever, when we get fever, උණ හැදුනහම ඇඟේ රස්නේ වැඩි වෙනව නේද? අන්න ඒකත් උෂ්ණත්වයක් තමයි. So පුතේ, now we are going to learn about it. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something. So temperature is the main element of weather. Can you remember the weather elements? Temperature, rainfall, clouds, winds. In my earlier lesson, I explained you. So, Pute, temperature is the major one. It is the main element of weather. Who gives this temperature? Who provides temperature? Do you know the sun in the sky? Do you know the sun? So the sun provides temperature and the heat. සූර්යා තමයි අපිට මේ උෂ්ණත්වය දෙන්නේ by using the sunlight. So now I think you understand our lesson today. Okay. So let's go to the next slide. There is a picture for you. Can you see the sun here? Sun is providing us the temperature by using these sun rays. Can we measure it? Measure? What is the meaning of measure? මනිනවා. මනිනවා කොච්චරක් රස්නේද? ටිකක් රස්නේ, ගොඩක් රස්නේ කියලා. So පුතේ, we can measure the temperature. How can we measure? Like this. When we get fever, your mother or father or any other adult person comes and keep the hands like this and check whether you are having fever. So in the environment, how can we measure? By using this instrument. Look at my screen. What is there? Do you know that? Thermometer. By using the thermometer, we can measure the temperature. And then, Pute, do you know, to measure it, we have the units. Wait, I will type the word here. Units. ඒකකයක් තියෙනවා. උෂ්ණත්වය සෙල්සියස් අංශක කොච්චරක්ද? එහෙම නැත්නම් ෆැරන්හයිට් අංශක කොච්චරක්ද? So, Pute, there are 2 units to measure the temperature. We can learn it later. So now remember this instrument. What is it? It is the thermometer. Yes. So now temperature is measured by thermometer. You can look at the spellings here. Thermometer. උෂ්ණත්වමානය. The units used to measure temperature are Celsius. The letter C is indicating Celsius. The letter F, Fahrenheit. We can use one of the two. If you like, you can use Celsius. If you like, you can use Fahrenheit. So, Pute, look at this. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees. උෂ්ණත්වය අංශක 0 වුණාම ජලය මිදෙනවා. Water freezes. උෂ්ණත්වය සෙල්සියස් අංශක 100 වෙනකොට වතුර නටනවා. හරිම රස්නේ. So, Pute, you can look at the instrument that we use to measure temperature in the screen. You have to remember the name. You have to remember the spellings. You have to remember the picture. And also, you have to remember the unit. Units that we use to measure temperature. What are the 2 units? Celsius and Fahrenheit. Look at the spellings. Don't forget. But then nowadays, a lot of students, English medium students are doing spelling mistakes. අකුරු වැරදියට ලියන්න බෑ. ටීචර්ගේ ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එක බලලා අකුරු හරියට ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. Okay, if you like, you can take the screenshots. You can download my video. If not, you can watch it again and again if you have free data. Then you can learn. So, Pute, here also you can see different types of thermometers are there. They are having different shapes, different colors. Look at this. Now we are coming to another weather element, the second topic today. Earlier we learned about the hotness. When there is the sun, we can feel that hotness. So now when there is no sun, what is there? Rainfall. Varshapatanaya. It has another name. What is it? Within brackets I have given you. Precipitation. Precipitation. Pute, we are using these two as similar terms, but there is a small difference. මේ වචන දෙක එක සමානයි වගේ ඉගෙන ගත්තට පොඩි වෙනසක් තියෙනවා. Because precipitation is the large word. Precipitation. වර්ෂණය. පුතේ මෙන්න මේ precipitation කියන එක කොටස් හතරකට තවත් පොඩි පොඩි කොටස් වලට බෙදන්න පුළුවන්. Precipitation එකට විවිධ වර්ග තියෙනවා. So can you see them? Rain is one method. උඩ ඉඳන් අහසේ ඉඳන් වතුර ලැබෙනවා වැස්ස විදියට. Rain, it is the rainfall. And then water comes as a snow. හිම විදියටත් වැටෙනවා. Sleet, hail. හිම අංශු විදියට, හිම බෝල විදියට, වර්ෂාපතනය විදියට, වැස්ස වැහි බින්දු විදියට. මේ විදියට අහසේ ඉඳන් අපිට වතුර ලැබෙනවා. ඉතින් මෙන්න මේ වර්ග අතරින් ඔයාලා අපි හැමෝම දන්න වැස්සට තමයි අපි rainfall කියලා කියන්නේ. So remember, rainfall is one type of precipitation. Precipitation එකේ එක වර්ගයක් තමයි rainfall කියන්නේ. Okay. So here you can see the real images of that. Look at number 1. There are 4 pictures. Dear children, look at the screen. Can you see number 1? Rain. This is picture 1. Rain. Number 2. Snow. Number 3. Sleet. In Sinhala we say tuhina. Then hail. Hima ball. Balls of snow. So these are the types of precipitation. So in our lesson, we are learning number 1. What is it? Rain, rainfall. Now I think it is clear for you. Pute, when you are listening to my videos, if you have any problems, here you can see my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can call me anytime. I will help you. You can message me anytime. I can help you, okay? Then what is rainfall? Shall we read this? A big note for you. Rainfall is the amount of rain that falls in a place during a particular period. Particular period means during a special period. During one day, maybe during 1 week, 1 month. යම් කිසි විශේෂ කාල සීමාවක් ඇතුළත. යම් කිසි ප්‍රදේශයකට ලැබෙන වර්ෂාවේ ප්‍රමාණය. පුතේ, do you know what is amount? What is amount? ප්‍රමාණය. So what is rainfall? Rainfall is the amount of rain that falls in a place during a particular period. Then it is coming to our earth's surface as a process. We call it water cycle. Jala chakraya, water cycle. Rainfall is a type of precipitation. I explained it earlier. It is measured by. Now, can you remember the word measure? Maninawa. Temperature, we measured by using the thermometer. Now the rainfall, how can we measure? There is an instrument. උපකරණයක් තියෙනවා. It is the rain gauge. වර්ෂාමානය, rain gauge. The units used to measure rainfall is millimeters. Temperature, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Now the rainfall, what is the unit? Millimeters. Millimeters. Not milliliter, not ml. Millimeters. mm. In short form, it is mm. Okay. So Pute, now look at this rain gauge. See how beautiful? In Sri Lanka, we can see the first one. But the second one is from a foreign country. See how beautiful? ආසයි නේද දැක්කම? අපිටත් හදන්න පුළුවන්. Pute, if you stay with my future videos, I will come to meet you with some practical lessons. We can cut off the bottles, we can make the rain gauge, and many other things. Stay with me. I will help you to make them. See how to making a rain gauge. These are the steps. I will teach it later. If you like to try at home, these are the steps. Steps of making a rain gauge. Shall we read them? But don't forget, you have to be careful and you have to get the parents' support and supervision when you are making. Carefully cut the top of the bottle. Place upside down inside the main body. Paste a strip of paper where millimeters are mentioned. What is a strip of paper? Can you see this paper? It is that. Put some stones into it. Into the bottom of it, you have to put some stones. Then only it becomes fixed and firm. When it is heavy, it will be beautiful. If you want to make it beautiful, you can put some beautiful stones and some plants like that. Now keep it outside. After making this instrument, you have to keep it outside and wait until it is raining. මේක මිදුලෙන් තියලා වහිනකන් ඉන්න ඕනේ. කවදා හරි වැස්සක් වැස්සහම you can check. When the rain is over, you can check the measurement strip. There you can see the rainfall in millimeters. Today I will come to meet you with another video lesson. That means a practical lesson. I will show you how to make this. Okay. So the last one, water cycle. What is water cycle? Getting the rainfall. It is a process. Kriyavaliya. It is a process. Pute, look at this picture. Here you can see some arrows. Yellow color arrows are there. Can you see? It is a cycle. එක චක්‍රයක් වගේ ගමන් කරනවා. Shall we look at the meanings of these words? See what are the words? Precipitation is there. Precipitation, now you know it is the rainfall. පොළවට වැස්ස ලැබෙනවා. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? Surface runoff. පොළවේ මතු පිටින් වතුර ගලාගෙන යනවා. Water is flowing on the surface of the earth. It is called surface runoff. And finally, they go into rivers. Rivers go to the ocean. ගංගාවල වතුර මූදට යනවා. So from these water bodies, rivers, oceans, tanks, reservoirs, ඒවයින් මොකද වෙන්නේ වතුරට? Evaporation. වාෂ්ප වෙනවා. When there is sunlight, water is evaporated. Evaporation. ඊට පස්සේ අහසට ගමන් කරන. After that, condensation. ඝනීභවනය වෙනවා. Then the clouds are formed. Clouds. වලාකුළු හැදෙනවා. Once again, it is raining. පුතේ මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ evaporation කියන්නේ වතුර තියෙන තැන් වලින් ජලය වාෂ්ප වීම. වතුරෙන් විතරක් නෙමෙයි plants වලින් පැලෑටි වල පත්‍ර වලිනුත් ජලය වාෂ්ප වෙනවා. Water is evaporated from the trees. It has another name. Did you see this? Transpiration. When the water is going up from the trees, it is transpiration. From the trees, transpiration. If the water is going from water body, river or ocean, what is that? It is evaporation. These are the two processes, transpiration and evaporation. After that, condensation. That means making the clouds. Once again, it comes as rainfall, precipitation. So it is a cycle. So this process is called the water cycle. So now I think it is clear for you. What is water cycle? I think it is clear for you. Okay. So Pute, here you can see a very small activity. There are some images. You have to select the correct word. Suitable word for the images. So now I will put the numbers for the images. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, number 5, 6 and 7. So now, what is number 1? See, you can see the sun. So it is sunny, warm. It is number 1. Then in the second one, no sunlight. It is a dark color cloud. When there are dark color clouds, we say gloomy. පරිසරය හරි අඳුරුයි, gloomy, because no sunlight. It is about to rain. The third one, sunlight is there, but clouds are also there. So it is cloudy. Windy. What is windy? What is the picture? Number 7. Can you see the wind? Then number 4. Thunderstorms. Can you see here lightning? Yes, it is thunderstorms. Then there is an umbrella. You can see rainfall. It is rainy. Then number 6 is snow falling. You have seen this symbol. When there is Christmas, you can see this symbol, snow falling. So Pute, you have to remember these images and the symbols come with different weather elements. Yes, Pute, okay. So now we are at the end of our lesson, temperature and the rainfall. So that is enough for this lesson. If you have any problems, you can contact me. My WhatsApp number is here. And also, if you like my video lessons, please subscribe my channel, share my channel with your friends, and ring the bell icon when you subscribe it. Okay, thank you very much. Hope to meet you again.